Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So, garage car, carport design and ideas, trending design in 2023, and we hope you like all the designs because clever die carport, garage car design and ideas. You know the saying that goes, the day you wash your car is the day it finally rains. Do you find it annoying when it's the winter, you are about to go to work but your car windshield has frosted over and you must scratch it? Well, that's what a die carport is for. It will provide some protection for rain, snow, frost and hailstorm. If you can't park your car in a garage, they are not every difficult or expensive to make either, so if you are considering one you might so well do it yourself. As previously mentioned, a carport is not terribly difficult to make or expensive to do. Of course, if you don't have the time or if you don't mind spending the money, absolutely get a professional to do it for you. But if you are rather save money, building your die carport will not only be cheaper but it can provide a fun and entertaining enterprises to keep your earnings occupied. That but you feel so proud for yourself when you look at the carport you built with your own hands. And this is the thing, a die carport can be as simple or as complex as you want to make it. A couple of wooden beams for structure, a couple plates for a roof and water resistant cloth or some plastic will make for a really simple, budget friendly yet effective carport. If you have a lot of room in your yard, a shipping container can make for a wall where to prop it up, as well as you can finish it with a couple of beams and sheet of aluminium for the roof. You can use recycled pipes, wood and plastic to buy greenhouse style carport that will not only keep your car protected but also double as a greenhouse when not in use. With a little bit of time and some extra materials, you can build elegant professional carport that is attached to your house. At all in all the possibilities are endless as long as you have time and imagination. Have fun, more fun and more fun creating a carport with your own hands. So create a crowded carport structure design to make us your design are also very great, and it's popular because of its differentiating design. It's so unique and to your home look no further. We hope you enjoy this video. This comprehensive guide includes detailed pictures, so we hope you enjoy this video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.